If you struggle with hard skin, this is going to be for you. And a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending it out to me to try out and share with you today. This is a USB rechargeable hard skin remover, meaning it doesn't need any batteries and it's fully portable. In the box, you get everything you need. You get the device itself, you get your recharging cables, you do get some replacement heads as well in case you want to change them out or maybe share the device with someone else. And you also get a cleaning brush as well. The device has 2 speeds, so different intensities depending on what you're after. I've got very hard skin on my feet, so I started off with the slower speed and then built up to the second speed for that deeper clean. My skin is prone to splitting if I don't keep on top of things. So this was quite a challenge. In the head here as well, there also is a mini vacuum, so any dust, any skin particles that come off, it will suck those up, keeping the area nice and clean and tidy. You can use this either on wet skin or dry skin. I would say that if you're using it on wet skin, it is going to be far more effective. So be cautious and use it lightly on wet skin. And some general cautions is not to use it on broken skin and to move the head around constantly so it's not in one area for too long. As you can see, my results have been absolutely fantastic. After about 4 or 5 minutes of use, constantly moving it around, it made a really big difference reducing down that hard skin. And the next step is to moisturise and keep moisturising it for really nice skin. I was really curious about how much came off in the end. And I took the head off and took a little look and I was really shocked. It's absolutely loads. So I do know exactly how effective it was. And now all I have to do is do my second foot. Thank you so much again for the team for very kindly sending it out to us.